I'm not really sure if people are learning probability in school by the time they're in 10th or 11th grade. I would imagine when you were much younger, at some point, some basic probability came up, and that is what this is, right? So pretty much all probabilities can be expressed as a fraction where we have the outcomes that we want divided by the total outcomes, right? So in this case, what is they tell us? If one of the gemstones is selected at random, meaning that we're looking at all the gemstones, so we could add these up, or we can just see that they told us it's 157 gemstones. So 157 is our total possible gemstones. What is the probability of selecting a gemstone of color Y? Well, they just told us color Y is 3, so 3 over 157. That's it. That's all there is to this question. So a lot of probability, even the harder stuff, is going to work this way on the PSAT and the SAT. It is basic, like create a fraction. Sometimes the fraction gets reduced. Sometimes the fraction becomes a decimal, but start with the fraction. The other thing, though, is remember, this is question number 3. So we're still in the early questions on this section. So if you're like, oh, wait, this seems too easy. No. It is easy. That's the whole point, is the first like 10 or so questions on the first math module should be very, very easy. And then it's going to start to pick up the pace. So this is something that you're just going to need to get comfortable with, is there's not really going to be any tricks this early on. Just do the most basic thing. It is probably the right thing.